Hey guys, this is to all those new members out there, or Lockerz members. This is a legit site, and to those people that are watching this, just to tell you that I just got a Z-Listers t-shirt. As you can see right here, it's from them. Hold on, let me just... U.S. posted, New Brunswick, and it shows Fulfillment Center. Right there. Right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it right now. Hold on. Let me put the camera down. Can't do this with one hand. Right here, Lockerz, man. This is completely real. Thanks for redeeming. Shows all the information about Lockerz. And let's see. This is the shirt. Small size. Pretty nice. Well, that's it. That's a Lockerz Z-Lister member. See you guys next time.